Maraming salamat dahil binigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon na maging guro. It's your advocacy to teach and to train voice actors.
The reason kung bakit may mga bagong tuklas na boses, the reason kung bakit may mga bagong tuklas na talento sa Dali, simply because of creative voices. Creative voices created a new batch of talents.
Wala na akong masabi sa pinaka-masigasig, pinaka-makitig, pinaka-talentadong kaibigan. Talentado talaga yung kaibigan ko ngayon.
Maraming nagsasabi si Choy mayabang. Oo, mayabang talaga si Choy, pero yun lang. Ang kakaiba sa kanya, yung kayabangan niya, meron siyang ipagyayabang. Kasi karamihan sa mga mayayabang, wala namang may pagyabang. Di ba?
Lahat kami nangarap lang. Ikaw tinupad mo. At kahit sino man ang gumawa ng ganitong eskwelahan, hindi na nilang papantayan ang simulaing inumpisahan mo.
Thank you for trusting me to be one of the facilitator, one of the teacher of Creative Words.
So para sa'yo bro, I'm wishing you all the best. Lahat ng success. At tandaan mo, ako pa rin ang iyong kasangga sa mundo ng pagbuboses.
Masarap siyang kasama. Marami na rin namin napag-usapan tungkol sa mga problema, sa mga undertakings in the future, mga challenges, and I just give my 1 centavo worth of idea and advice.
Happy birthday, Idol! And ilan ka na? 38? 38 ka na, no? Kasi ako 34 pa lang. O tama, mas matanda ka sa akin. 38. Happy 38th birthday, Pocholo Gonzales.
Mula sa puso ko, maraming salamat at naway lumawig pa ang iyong buhay, humaba pa ang buhay ng Creative Voices, at ma-share mo pa sa lahat ang blessings na tinatamasa mo at ng mga kabataan. Congratulations, Choy, and happy birthday!
Joy, mula sa akin, ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat at pagbati ng maligayang kaarawan at naway lumigaya ka sa iyong kumplihan. Salamat, Joy.
Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo at sana mapalawig mo pa ang Creative Voices kasi marami mong natutulungan. Ito yung mga adhikain sa buhay ng isang yung magandang adhikain para sa isang folk organization natin na ano gusto natin sanang itayo. Pero this is it. You have an organization and I should say your company is an organization working for the benefit of the young aspiring voice actors. Continue. You have a good cause in life. Happy birthday.
Okay, Sir Choy, happy birthday! Ayan syempre nag-celebrate ng birthday ngayon ang Voice Master at maraming salamat. Syempre sa pagkiniwala, ayan, sa mga talented na katulad namin. Ayan, dito sa radio industry na mapabilang sa Creative Voices Philippines. Maraming salamat, Sir Choy. Yan, mabuhay ka, more power para na sa ganun mas maraming power, mas maraming blessing sa'yo at syempre sa mga gusto mo pang tulungan. Happy birthday, Sir Choy!
Hello! Hi, Kuya Choy! Happy birthday and sana marami ka pang blessings na matanggap and sana marami ka pa rin matulungan ng mga tao and sana ako doon. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong na ginawa mo and for believing in me. Syempre sa talent ko, ikaw yung nagtitiwala sa akin. Yun, thank you sa lahat-lahat and God bless. Take care!
Hi, Nay! Hi, ni Heart and Dark! Hi, Nikin!
Yes. busy. Hey, Choy! I hope you have a great day today, Choy. Parang hindi makita yung double chin ko. I hope you have everything that you want, everything you wish for, and so far you're doing a great job at whatever you're doing.
and keep up the good work. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Sir Choi, what's up? Happy birthday to you. And of course, cheers to another year of life and love. May God bless you always and continue to inspire, empower, and motivate young people like us. Yes. And I wish you all the best. Hope you have a blast. Happy birthday, Sir Choi.
Sir Choi, happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come. At sana naman marami pang mga kapwa natin na matulungan mo sa iyong napakagaling at saka talagang kakaibang boses. Once again, happy birthday, Sir Choi Pocholo Gonzales, the voice master of the Philippines.
Isang bari-bari-bari-bari-bari-bari-bang hello-y! Ako po si Ivan Colin Perilla, aka Christine Dera, isa sa mga estudyante ni Sir Choi. Naku, isang bari-bari-bari-bang happy birthday sa iyo. Naway bagyuhin ka ng grasya, linduling ka ng suwerte sa buhay at talaga nga naman more blessings pa sa nag-iisang Sir Choi ng bayan. Happy birthday po and God bless you more. Mwah!
Hi, my name is Tracy.
Hey, what's up? I'm Vince. We're from the Wake Up Show on Mel 947. We just want to say happy birthday to the voice master. But you're not supposed to sing. You're ruining the moment. Okay, you can sing that. Hey, we're just kidding. But happy birthday to.
I really want to sing.
Happy birthday to Pocholo, the voice master Gonzales.
You are the man.
From the Wake Up Show, and as your gift, I present to you Tracy Abad.
A birthday song. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oy! Hi! Nako! Hanggang dito ba naman abot ang chismis? Nako, Sir Joy, balita ko, birthday mo, ha? Ito na talaga. Pag sikat kahit saan ka, abot. Kailangan umabot din dito yung, alam mo na, yung handa mo, pagkain. Pero anyway, kamusta na, Sir Choi? Miss na kita at saka maraming salamat sa mga natutunan ko sa'yo. At saka ngayon ay mahalagang araw para sa'yo, kaya binabati kita ng happy birthday. Ayan na. Wish ko sa'yo more success and more blessings to come.
Hi, Sir Pocholo. Guess what? I'm in a new cult. It's called Pochology. Anyway, you know what? I must say, you have the cutest ADP I have ever seen. Promise yan. And because of that, you know, I was so excited to learn more things about voice acting. And I hope to learn more things from you. So, with that, happy birthday. More years to come and more people to teach. And I hope you have a great time in your day. Bye!
Alam ko kung gaano ka dedicated sa work mo. And yung commitment mo is 100% na binibigay mo. And dahil dyan, mas lalong lumapit ang puso namin sa'yo dahil alam namin na merong PMA Vice President Chapter na nag-aalaga sa amin dito. And coming from the bottom of my heart, happy birthday and God bless you all from Cavite Chapter. Ingat palagi.
I always treat you as a brother, as a mentor, and as a colleague in the industry. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you as well. Experiences, learning, and for all the things that we will share together more. Not only in our show in Creative Business, but also in Philippine Marketing Association, Engineer Chamber, Makati Chapter, and among other industry association. I wish you good health and success in all your endeavors.
Joy, thank you very much for everything. Salamat sa tulong mo sa JCI and happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na daw? Sipin mo, ilan na? 80 ba? 80? Pero tingnan mo, napakabata mo po yung tingnan, di ba? Galing talaga. Happy birthday, bro.
This is a surprise here, but I heard it's your birthday. I want to wish you a happy birthday. Alam ko na yung tagumpay mo, pinaghihirapan mo, at marami ka pang matutulungan. I wish you all the best of health, and of course, a very good family life. Mabuhay ka. Again, Pocholo, happy birthday.
Hi Pocholo, happy birthday. I'm Stanley Chi, aka Mr. Suplado. Pare, actually, sinabihan ako ni Peter na birthday mo raw, kaya andito ako para batiin ka. Although hindi tayo magkasama ngayon sa kainan at sa celebration, I'm there with you in spirit. Happy birthday, pare. Continue sharing your blessings and your talents to all the young people na gustong maging kagaya ni Voice Master. Idol kita. Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Pocholo. It's been a long time. We miss you. Miss everybody there over at Creative Voices. I just woke up, so I can't show my face. It's so shameful. So. Say happy birthday to Uncle Pocholo. Have a good one.
Mabuhay! Happy birthday, Daddy Joy. All the best to you and your family. I wish you a great success, a happy life, wealthy, and stay handsome forever. Miss you. Have fun on your birthday. Bye-bye.
Joy, pre, sensya ka na ha. Ngayon na ako nakagawa ng pabati sa'yo. At dito pa sa loob ng comfort room. Sobrang busy ko kasi, kaya ngayon na ako nakahanap ng pagkakataon. Pero ganyan pa man, pre. Mahal kita. Happy birthday. At i-enjoy mo lang yung pagtanda mo. Magkikita-kita rin tayo sa finals. Happy birthday, Tol.
Oh, Joy. Magawa ko ng switch, torbo kayo. Pero dahil birthday mo, babatiin na rin kita. Happy birthday, sir. Sana lumakas pa ang hangin. Dumami pa mga kliyente mo sa Creative Voices. At saka sana sa init ng panahon ngayon, tumulong ka sa paglamig. Pero iwasan mo naman yung pag-away sa mga kapwa mo dabber, mga kababata mo dabber. Kaya Choy, galingan mo. Alam ko, 2 na kotse mo, may bahay ka na, huwag mo na sabihin sa amin yun, naiingit na kami. Okay? Babalik na ako. Torbo kayo.
Bibong-bibo. Bilang katrabaho, kasama sa kung saan mo nakaran, hindi pwedeng hindi siya maging bibo. Unang-una, hindi maikakailangan siya talaga ang voice master. So sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sa pagiging kaibigan, hindi pwedeng hindi ka niya bibigyan ng inspirasyon. Bibong-bibo yan sa pag-empower. Sa grupo namin, ang dami-dami niyang mga kinakausap na kabataan, grupo ng kabataan, sa mga schools. So, thank you so much for all this. Salamat sa bibong pagkakaibigan kahit magkalayo na tayo. Nandiyan ka pa rin palagi kung kailangan at kung hindi naman kailangan, nandiyan pa rin ka lagi. Happy birthday to you and more success and that's it. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Cholo is someone you can help admire. First, because he's always bubbly, oozing with enthusiasm and very friendly at that. You won't have second thoughts approaching him. Hindi ka maninimbang, hindi ka maiilang. Lagi siya nakangiti. Not only that, he is richly blessed with talents. Talentado talaga. Ang galing! More importantly, he is a man of vision and focus. Just read his profile and you will immediately say, this man has a dream. Wherever he is, he will create waves. Wherever he goes, something positive will happen. Definitely, he is one of the reasons why it's more fun in the Philippines. Parang Choy, happy birthday! Keep flying!
Palagay ko, hindi ka pa matatapos sa pag-inspire ng marami pang buhay. And a lot of things will come. Just wait for it. Ang sabi ng Biblia, all good things come from the Father. Ang daming nakahanda para sa atin. Huwag ka lang maiinip. And just hang on because I know God will bless you tremendously. Happy birthday, bro. Have a nice birthday and be filled with Jesus, okay? God bless you.
So, bro, happy birthday. Constipated na ako nito. Wish you all the best more years to come, mga pangarap mo. Saka, saludo ko sa iyo pagdating sa negosyo. Mas maupa ka sa akin. And marami ka pa may inspire mga kabataan, pati mga clients. Blessing ka sa family mo. God bless. And nakakaya naman sabihin, I love you. With the love of the Lord.
Hello, Choy. Happy birthday. Sana anak ko, huwag ka magbabago. Awis ko lang sa'yo, good health. Sana manatili kang malusog, mabuting anak, mabuting kaibigan, at sa lahat, sa lahat, malapit sa ating Panginoon. Love you.